See how his fur is getting big? That means he's really happy. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it's kind of hard to tell with the base of his tail. Come here, V. Come here. Come to mommy. Oh, there's Penny Pooh. Hi, Penny. Stretch. Come on, Penny.
Hi, kitties. Hi, kitties.
Come on, Penny.
Let's go. Penny. Hi, Penny. Hi, Penny. Wow.
So these are my two kitties, Penny and Velcro. Penny I got from a shelter. She was in a home with 150 cats, and I went to a benefit for the company, or from the shelter, and so the next day my friend and I went. I just had to see what 150 cats was like in one two-flat. It was so surreal. I walked in and I'm like, oh my God, there's cats everywhere, cat trees and everything. And Penny was in the little cat tree, and I told him about Velcro and his demeanor, and he next thing I know, the next day I got her, and she was only about 7 months, so she only stayed in the shelter for a month. So I saved a life, and I saved Velcro too from that anti-cruelty. He was on his way actually to anti-cruelty.
Oh.
And yeah, a friend of mine that I worked with, she couldn't take care of him. She was moving, and her apartment didn't have, it wouldn't allow cats.
Hey.
So.
Hey. Yeah.
So anyways, but I told him that when I got Penny, that if it didn't work out with Velcro, that I was going to have to take her back. And what was great about this place was that they said, you know, if for whatever reason it doesn't work out, no questions asked, you can return the cat. And so everything's been great. Penny is Velcro's shadow, big time, big time. I mean, she will not let him be at all. When he's on my lap, if I'm petting her or petting him, she'll jump up and I have to pet her too. I mean, she'll bite me. A little, you know, play bite, nothing, you know, it doesn't break skin, but still, yeah. So anyways, that's it. How was that?
Good.